Hey guys, today let's learn how to know and tell if a specific image is AI generated. So how could we basically know? Well, basically one of the leading applications and softwares that we could actually use in order for us to find out if an image is AI generated is to use the Hive AI detector. Now from here, I just wanted you to go ahead and just search for Hive AI detector on your browsers. This is going to be a Chrome extension, but you can actually go ahead and download this on your browsers, any browser that you prefer to use. Just tap on add to browser or add to your preferred browser and then tap on add extension. All right, so once we're already here and the extension is already installed, what I want you to go ahead and do next is to tap on this extensions option and then go on over on the Hive AI detector. And as you would see, it's currently on. You can actually go ahead and proceed with reinitializing this position of the toggle button. But essentially what we need to go ahead and do from here is to go on over and search for a specific image. So let's say that this is the specific image that we want to go ahead and use Hive AI image detector. So from here, what we need to go ahead and basically do is to go on over any image that you prefer on your browsers. Now, I want you to go ahead and just right click on this photo. And as you would see, we have this extension or this Hive AI detector automatically here. I want you to tap on this, and then of course it's automatically going to be launched. Just agree with the terms and conditions, and it's now initializing. As you would notice, it's loading, and it's going to give you the result if this image is AI generated or not. As you would see, it is 100% AI generated. It actually says that right here, and also the percentage of where this specific image is AI generated. And this is basically 100% true because when you go on over and search for, let's say, real photos, to basically have a benchmark of a real photo, you can actually go ahead and tap on this photo right here as an example, use the Hive AI detector, and as you would see, it actually says that this photo is not AI generated. As for this photo right here, this could be AI generated, but also could be not. When you right click on this, basically shows you a percentage if this is AI generated or not, and as you would see, it also says that it is not. Now going over on other photos, if let's say this is an AI generated, most likely this would not be. It looks like this photo is actually Photoshopped, but let's see what Hive AI detector tells us. It also says that it is not AI generated because most likely that this photo is Photoshopped and manually manipulated by a real person and not with artificial intelligence. Now, essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.